right, GVMC, thanks for the quick fill and payments there. That was super fast. This is the video to find the winner of our Aaron Jones mini pick one. This is number 2. So we'll check the time, December 10th at 9:49 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we've got December 10th at 9:49 p.m. There is the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. All right, that'll work 10 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Shane. Spot 10 is your winner. One of the sexy ends is the winner. So, Shane, get with me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, December 10th, 9:50 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.